let's talk about when you
Yes,
do
yes.
have to have
Yes,
an
you have to
addition.
have the addition for bedrooms, bathrooms, sunrooms, screen rooms, patio rooms, where they have a great layout inside, but they just really want more room.
Right.
Yes. And I did mention, well, I'll talk about this one. So this one, obviously, the front porch was, just a front porch addition. But to the right, where the garage door is, before there was no living space above the garage. So on this project, we were able to go above the garage to create more living space, bedrooms and bathrooms. And then of course the front porch gave you that three-dimensional look. And yes, people do use their front porch. Ceiling fans, and always in the front porch, we always put the speakers in so you can listen to your music. You can't see the speakers.
Oh, let's talk about this front porch. There's a
Yep.
lot to be said about this front porch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, it was typical home in Dunwoody, and just a flat front, and just didn't have any aesthetic appeal, and we were able to put that front porch on. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.